Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, guys, it is a good day. As you guys saw in the title and the thumbnail, I am finally ready to announce and to introduce to you guys the world's first Volvo S80 V8 forged carbon fiber interior. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so what a day today. We have a beautiful day here in October, Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I have the S80 V8 over here. She has been waiting for the trims on the interior forever. This car has been stripped down in the interior, which isn't that bad because the door panels and everything are still there, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So all of the door panels here, so the door trims are all removed. We also have the top of the, well, pretty much the bottom of the odometer trim right here. That was removed. We had the center console trim right here, which was the wooden trim around the shifter, and so this part I haven't done yet. And we have all of these in the front and in the back. So today guys, what we're gonna be doing, like you guys saw, we're gonna be installing everything because I finally had the time to clear coat everything. I'm installing it today guys to test fit and make sure everything fits nice. I'll probably leave it on for a week, make sure there's no rattles or anything like that that I could maybe change, add some foam or some tape or some sound insulating stuff. But I still do need to wet sand them again and probably polish them because some of them, since it was sprayed with a can, do have a little bit of orange peel, which is normal when you're painting. I'm not painting in a professional booth, I'm painting in my garage like you guys saw. So what I'm gonna do now is grab all of the pieces, I'll put them on the floor right here where there's a little bit of sun so you guys can see them, and then we'll go ahead and install it together. Alrighty guys, so I got everything on the floor right here, ready to show you guys what the final result looks like. Keep in mind guys, again, like I said, this is a final result, just not wet sanded and polished to remove all of that orange peel. You guys will see there is a little bit of orange peel because of the spray paint. So the clear coat, the spray clear coat. So I'll pan around, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll install it together. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, let's get to work. Let's get to installing everything. So first step, what you're gonna do, of course, it's kind of pretty much easy. You open the doors, make sure that all of the doors are open. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Sorry guys, by the way, the S80 V8 is ultra disgusting. It is super dusty, super dirty here. So I do need to give it a proper cleaning. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the rear section right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I believe this is the rear right section right over here. So what I'll do is just go ahead, and there's clips on the back like you guys can see right here. There's a couple of clips which you want to just align with the pinholes, which you guys can't see. Give me 1 second. So you want to align these little pinholes right here to those ones over there. And then you just want to pretty much tack it in like this. Well, I have this one upside down, so this is the other side, I believe. But anyways, you pretty much just push it in, and I'll throw that on the other side, and we'll grab the correct one, which should be this one over here. I forgot my tripod, guys, by the way, so I'm sorry if this isn't the most perfect angle ever. So you just want to go ahead guys and align everything in. Make sure all of the clips are in. I'm going to start, I believe, with the bottom here is going to be easier. And you want to just clip everything back in place. Just like that. So it is all clipped on the back side over here. I'm going to go ahead guys and do the other side, which is the exact same process. And then I'll try to find a way for you guys to see what I'm doing in the front, because the shifter and the top of the dash, well, the bottom of the odometer pretty much, are kind of harder to do. But yeah, I'll go ahead and do the backside and I'll see you guys right after. Alrighty guys, so we have the front trim right here, which I'm gonna install. It's basically the same process. You're gonna have the little pinholes in the back, which you just have to align, and then you wanna start, what I do is start from the bottom here, and you just wanna work your way up to the top right here, just like that. Don't be shy guys, you can give it a couple of little taps and wiggle to make sure that it's solid in place. And then we have this place ready. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go onto the other side. Just go from here. It is the exact same process on the other side, so same thing, you wanna put it in. Make sure all of the pinholes are aligned properly. Let's see, this one is good. Let's start by the bottom here, and then I'll do the top. Oh, I think this one I didn't align it properly. Let's see. Okay. There we go. You really want to make sure that you get the bottom ones first, guys, because the bottom ones are going to help align everything after. So just like that. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. Now that looks absolutely proper, guys. Oh my god. I hope the camera can capture that. That looks absolutely incredible. Look at that, guys. And we still have the center trim, which is the bottom here. We have the vent right here, which I still haven't installed, and then we're gonna do the top of the steering wheel, or bottom of the odometer. Let's get right into it. All right guys, so this one is a little bit easier to film. So what I would tell you guys to do would be to put the car in neutral, so it's a little bit easier to do, just like that. So that's what I'm gonna go and do. Make sure you have your handbrake on. Just close this. So pretty much this one is a little bit harder to put down than others, because it does, see, if you don't put it properly, you can see right here, it's not going to sit pretty. So my trick would be to push it down from here. It is kind of hard, guys, not to lie. So if you don't get it on the first try, it is fine, but you pretty much, you don't want to push up from here. You want to start from the bottom here, get it all down, and then just push down very gently, which is it's not very easy, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty guys, I took the extra time off camera to actually install everything, because honestly guys, holding a camera and trying to install trim pieces is the absolute worst. So the center console, the trim piece for the pretty much the shifter trim, that is actually pretty hard to get in. You really have to put it in an exact angle before pushing it in and clipping all around the sides, because you have all of the bliss, the active parking sensors, and also the what are those called, the whatever you rest your head on and you press on it, and the headrest. So you need to like squeeze it in there perfectly. So I did manage to do it without breaking anything, which is actually pretty good. And I took time and I did actually the vent. So the vent is actually pretty hard. I would recommend you guys, if you're doing something like that at home, that you remove the side plastic to have access behind the vent, and kind of maneuver the vent up and down to put everything back in place. And then I also did the top of the steering wheel, which is underneath the odometer. It's pretty much a plate that reduces glare, and now I've introduced more glare because I decided to clear coat it, but that's fine. It's all for the looks in the end. So hopefully you guys enjoy the final result, guys. It looks so good. And don't forget, I've been working on this, guys, all summer. No, it didn't take me all summer to do this. It's just on and off with many projects like you guys saw on the channel. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the final result.
For the souls of the old lost, gather round, we can all watch the throne fall. And you king as ascended a ghost, y'all. Crown me in majesty, oh Lord. Majesty, oh Lord. Oh Lord. Instant classic, this classical gold art. bring black spin, blacklisted Mozart.
Hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It is not perfect, guys. This is the first time that I work with carbon fiber. This was the very first pieces that I've done on any vehicles that I've ever owned. So I know there is some imperfections and there are some areas that are not perfectly flat and well made, but listen, it is a learning experience, and every time that I'm gonna be building kits like these in the future, I'm gonna get better and better. Don't forget, guys, like I said, there is still a lot of orange peel, so I just installed everything to give you guys a look and to actually enjoy maybe a week like this, just having the car completed on the inside at least. I know you guys saw we're missing the huge trim around the center dash, which I'm probably gonna do this winter. When the car's gonna go to storage, I'm gonna take everything that I need to take off because those are connected to the air vents, and well, in the summer here in Quebec it gets pretty hot, so no air vents, no AC in the summer would kind of suck. So I've got everything off, and we still have a lot of things planned, guys. Don't forget, there's still the carbon body kit for the V8 that I'm working on, and there's a lot more that you guys don't know yet that is coming for this car to the channel very soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, guys. If it is your first time watching a Tank Garage video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And as usual, guys, make sure if you enjoyed the video to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See you, boys.